Well, most people think Kylie got rich because of fame. Nope. She got rich because she understands three things better than almost anyone. Attention, story, offers. And if you run med spa, you can use the same three levers to grow faster than your competitors, even if you are small, new or unknown. Let's get into it. Kylie didn't wait for people to notice her brand. She created attention. Selfies, drama, memes, all roads led back to her products. For med spas, attention means this: if you don't show up daily, people forget you exist. Your job is not to be perfect, remember, your job is to be seen. Here's how. Post every day. Even if it's simple, not fancy, not over-edited, just show reality. When it comes to ideas, a 10-second clip of a facial steaming or a dermapening close-up, or a short explanation like here's why your pores look big, or staff intro, hi I'm Mia, I fix acne, or lean on. Stop scrolling. Visuals, med spa have gold for content. Before and afters, blackhead coming out, heels peeling, needles, if your brand of course allows it. People love transformation. People love seeing things change. Make your clients the hero. Post their stories, wins, confidence, glow ups. Tag them if they agree. They will reshare you, you get the free attention. And use Instagram like your personal TV channel. Story everything. The room setup, products, jokes, bloopers, new tools, delivery day, all of it. More attention equals more leads, and no attention equals no clients. Kylie didn't teach chemistry. She told a story people connected to. Your med spa should do the same.
My moisturizer, and then this is one of my foundation samples, my first secret of this whole video, don't tell anyone. I'm obsessed. This is my go-to. Just need a little squeeze of that, mix it up.
People do not buy fractional lasers, hydrofacial, Botox units. People buy story of what this create. Confidence, clear skin, youth, control, feeling pretty again. Here is what you use story like Kylie. Tell client transformation stories. For example, Sarah came to us hiding her face. Today she walks in smiling. Here's what we did. Make it human, make it emotional, and make it real. Share your own story. Why do you even started your med spa at first place? I had acne at 17, I cried in the mirror, now I help people avoid what I went through. People trust people who share the truth. Use simple language, 6th grade at maximum, not medical school, bad. We use multi-step resurfacing protocol that accelerates cellular turnover. Good. This makes skin smoother and clearer, fast. Sell feelings, not features. Nobody cares about the laser. Everybody cares about the outcome, remember. When you talk, answer this. How will life feel after this service? Story builds connection, connection builds trust, and trust builds bookings. Kylie didn't sell one lipstick, she sold a kit. More value, bigger price, easy to buy. You must do the same. Stop selling one-off services. One facial equals no transformation. One laser equals no transformation too. People want results. Sell a package that solves one big problem. Examples: clear skin kits in 90 days, acne facial, LED, check-ins, home routine, progress photos, guarantee of improvement, wrinkle reset plan, Botox, ZO or skin ceutical routine, follow-ups, skin mapping, glow membership, one service per month, exclusive deals, priority booking, surprise birthday facial, anything like that. Make buying easy. Put it in a simple sentence. You get all of this for X per month. No confusion, no stress. And as a bonus, you can add a guarantee. As an example, you can do, if you don't see progress in 60 days, your next treatment is free. People love safety. Offers make or break your business, remember. And a great offer can triple revenue. Kylie sells out in minutes. Not because she's magic, but because she uses scarcity. Your med spa should do the same, ethically of course. Limit spots. Only 8 new clients this month, 3 glow plans left. It makes your services feel premium. Limit time. Booking closes Sundays, special ends at midnight. People act fast when they know they must, remember. Launch new services like events. Instead of quietly adding a new treatment, do this. Tease it all week, drop hints, show behind the scenes, do a countdown, reveal the offer, give bonuses for fast booking. Make it a moment, make it fun, celebrate sellouts. If something sells out, just post it. Glow plans sold out in 2 days, thank you. This builds fear of missing out and more people will book next time. Kylie didn't rent followers, she built a fan base. Your med spa needs a community too. Create a VIP list, Instagram close friends, email list, SMS list. They are your warmest people. Talk to them often. Give them what others don't get, you know. When it comes to ideas, you can use early access to promos, free skin tips, behind the scenes, secret discounts, weekly Q&As. People love feeling special. Show personality. A med spa is not a clinic. It's your place that people trust with their face. Be warm, be real, and be human. Use clients to grow, Ask clients to tag you, share their results, post reviews, record testimonials. Social proof is the new goal. Build habits, not moments. Anyone can get one client. Community gets you repeat clients for years. You don't need Kylie's fame, you just need her strategy. Get attention, tell stories, build offers, use hype, grow a community. Do this for 30 days, you will get more messages. Do this for 60 days, your calendar fills. Do this for 90 days, your med spa becomes the med spa. That was it for this video. That was Patrick from Med Spa Scalers, and I will see you in the next one.